everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 562 XP, very popular chainsaw. Look at some of the features this has. This one has been modified. It will be sold for parts and disabled at the end of the video. This has the third generation of electronics, and let's talk a little bit about those electronics. If you've got the earlier versions and your saw's got a little bit of hesitation, not operating quite properly, it's possible that you can get that fixed under warranty. Give me a call and we'll go over it and see if we can fix that under warranty for you. But anyway, this one has the third generation of electronics. It really makes it run good. It does have some porting done to it, and we'll look at the features it has. Kill switch is on the left, choke all the way up, high idle run and off, operator presence lever, working chain brake, decompression valve right on the top, wrap handlebars, really nice feature on this saw. You see the porting on the muffler. The motor has been ported internally too. Two falling spikes. Chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up, right on the side of your tensioner. And we'll disable the saw. If you ever want to take a look at one of these, see how they're put together, here's a great one.